Hey guys, welcome back again in today's video. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you guys anti-aging cream that will remove pigmentation, dark spots and even wrinkles from the hand and the feet. This recipe will clear it and make your hand and your feet look beautiful and amazing. So guys, to prepare this recipe, one of the ingredients we need is tomato. So the first thing we do is either you glitter the tomatoes or you blend it. So I'm going to glitter these tomatoes. So guys, you glitter the tomatoes. I think I've gotten enough tomatoes I need. This one is enough for me. So this is the tomato juice paste, the tomato paste. Then I need 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Then the next thing I will add is sugar. So guys, the next thing we need is sugar. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then you add then you mix it very well. You mix it very well so that the sugar will dissolve. So the next thing we need is lemon. So guys, this is my lemon. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. You add it, then you mix it very well. The next thing we need is either you use olive oil, vitamin E or baby oil. These 3 you can make use of one. So I'm using original olive oil, virgin olive oil. I just add a teaspoon of oil. You add it, then you mix it. Make sure you mix the oil very well. If you did not mix it very well, it will separate. So make sure you mix it very well. Then we are going to add honey. Just add half teaspoon of honey. You add it, you mix it. Now we got mixture that will treat pigmentation, wrinkles and wrinkles from the hands and feet. This recipe will make your hand and your feet look smooth like a newborn baby. So this is the recipe. So I'm going to show you guys how you can apply this recipe. So guys, this is the mixture. This is the mixture that we prepare. Now, this is how to apply it. You apply it on your hands. Use it to massage your hand. Apply it very well. Apply it on your hands and on your feet. You apply it very well. You can also apply it anywhere you have wrinkles and pigmentation. So you apply it very well. You also apply it anywhere you have wrinkles. And you can also apply it on your face to get a smooth and clear face. You can also apply it on your face. After applying it, you leave it for 15 minutes. Then you wash it off. Repeat this method daily for 7 days to get a perfect result. You can also store this recipe in a fridge, or you can store it in a fridge for 7 days. So that is all. This is end of today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also click on the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video.